What's up guys? David Lieb here. Today I have a really special video for you. It's been in the works for a long time and I'm super excited to show you guys what it's all about. I'm actually building a new bike today. We have the frame right here, so you guys may have seen it on Instagram, but I've been teasing this thing for a long time and I finally have all the parts in to complete the build. So I'm gonna head to Spoke Life Cycles and we're gonna get this thing going. Well, that bike build went super smooth, nothing that Spoke Life in Austin couldn't handle. So I'd like to give a huge thank you to Spoke Life for letting me build the bike there, GT Bicycles for providing the frame, Industry 9, Title, Kenda, Marzocchi, all the sponsors, you know, they're always taking care of me. Couldn't do it without them. So I'd also like to give a huge thank you to Eddie at Titanium Finishing Co. What those guys are doing over there with the titanium anodizing and the Cerakote finishes is truly incredible. So check them out. I'll link them in the bio below. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, drop a comment, let me know what kind of content you guys want to see, and we'll see you on the next one.